Who are we looking for?
May.
Where is she?
I can see it.
Where's May?
It's close.
Well, let's go look for her. Where should we look?
Nope, I can't find her. In the bathroom? Nope. In the room? It's dark in here.
Is May in here though?
Nope.
I wonder where she is.
May under her bed? No. Oh no. May one. Here you go, Mommy.
Thanks.
Eat it.
Where else is May?
Here in there. No, in there.
Where else should we look?
Yummy.
Where else should we look?
I can't find her. Enter the room. I can't find her. Oh no. Mommy?
What?
Come out.
Is she under the couch?
Yeah. I need to go check.
Okay.
There's just on the couch.
But is May under the couch?
No.
Is she under the couch?
No.
Can you check?
She's not in there.
Hmm.
There's girls in there.
Where's May?
I know. Me is gone.
She's gone?
Yeah.
Do you think she'll come home?
Is Minnie here?
I don't know. We can't find her.
It's a big goat.
Sprinkles.
I eat it. I eat it.
Okay. Yummy.
Yum, yum. You're under the TV. Nope, I can't find her. Minnie's lost. Minnie's lost. There's a girl right there.
Yep, those are her girls.
It's not us. Mommy. It's those May. Yummy. I need to get a book out.